Welcome back to Cause 3D. Today, I think you can guess what we're doing. We're building the Emperor's Royal Guard helmet. Let's get to it. As many of you know, I am a big fan of 3D printing. So today we're going to do something that has been on one of my bucket lists here for probably the last, I'd say 3 years. And a couple months ago, the Galactic Armory finally released their STL files for the Royal Guardsman, the Emperor's Royal Guardsman. And it's a perfect adaptation of the helmet that you see in Return of the Jedi. And I don't know about you guys, but back in, what was it, 1983, when Return of the Jedi was released, I was pretty young. But as I got older and started watching that movie, I fell in love with the Guardsmen. And the reason is, we didn't know anything about them. We knew they were awesome. That was the only thing we needed to know. And we never saw them fight, we never saw them do anything but guard that elevator when Luke and Vader go to the Emperor's throne room in Jedi. And I bought one back in 1995. This is the Don Post version of the Guardsman. And it is actually an injected molded, probably. It's plastic. It's got a little give to it. But one of those that sat on my shelf, and it sat on my shelf for years. I've had it forever. And I love this thing. And I was never sure about the red. It's probably the correct color red. It's more of a maroon color. I remember the Kenner toy being the same way. But when you're watching Jedi, it seems like it's just more of a fire engine red like this. And I wanted to print one of these up, finish it, and we've got some footage, so I'll let you enjoy that real quick before the wrap up and see how much work this bad boy was. A lot of hand sanding this time because there's nowhere to really get your random orbit sander into it. So let's roll that footage. joining us today. I really appreciate it. If you want to support the channel, by all means, please subscribe and make sure you like the video. Leave a comment if you want. If it's, you know, hey, I'm thinking about building one myself, or hey, Kyle, you did a terrible job on this. It's okay. I don't mind. Just engage in some comments with me, and I try to answer each and every single one of them as best I can. It may take me a few days, but I'll get on it. We've also noticed that in our YouTube algorithm, there's a lot of you that are not subscribed, and it looks like your repeats coming back to our channel. We'd appreciate it. Just hit that subscribe button. It helps support the channel without actually paying out any money, and we're okay with that too, because the more subscribers we have, the more stuff, the more builds I'm going to do. So we thank you for joining us today. Make sure you check out our Etsy store, and we will see you in the next video.